One big, beautiful bill, a lot of questions. Let's just dive right into it. Which sectors could see a benefit from the bill? We think that the sectors that could see a benefit from the bill actually happen to be some of the sectors that we've been positive on throughout the year, especially as it relates to the build out of the AI ecosystem. Really from the utilities that are responsible for the power generation to the tech companies developing the software. We think that the companies really related to the build out of the infrastructure could actually have a tax benefit from some of the business incentives in the bill, such as the immediate expensing of domestic research and development. How do you think the bill will impact the Federal Reserve and the interest rate path in the near term? It's a great question because we do expect the bill to have a small boost to growth next year, but we expect the tariff drag to have a more meaningful impact on the economy. And with the impact of the tariffs likely being seen as a one-off increase in prices, we actually think the Federal Reserve is going to be in a position to cut interest rates in the second half of this year and cut interest rates a few times in the first half of next year. What would the impact of the bill be on economic growth in the near term? We don't expect a material contribution to economic growth from the One Big Beautiful Bill, and that's really because there's a relatively small portion of the bill that are new tax cuts that would be immediately felt by the economy. That said, there are business incentives in the bill that could lead to economic growth in the longer term. Thank you all so much for submitting your questions. Please keep them coming. There's always something interesting going on in macro, and I hope to see you again soon.